I recently shared with you how I love all my clients with free Starbucks in my monthly email newsletter. I do it a few times a year. And I had a question from one of my viewers, Jeffrey. Thanks for the question of how to include the Starbucks barcode in an email so that your clients can take it and get their free coffee. So today's video is a tutorial on how to put the barcode in an email to share with your clients. So what you're going to do is log into your Starbucks account. If you don't have one, you will need to make one. And you're going to come to this gift area right here. I've already clicked on it, and then you're going to pick the card that you want to purchase. It really doesn't make a big difference of what it says on the card because your clients aren't going to see it when you're just needing the barcode to share with them. So I'm just gonna say yay for coffee. That one looks good to me. I'm gonna come down here and select any amount that you want. I recommend putting these on auto reload when you are going to do the coffee giveaway so that you can just have it keep reloading as your clients are purchasing because you'll use the barcode again. But if you are concerned about it possibly going over budget, then you can always select the gift amount that you are comfortable with and then don't put the card on auto reload. But when you are doing the coffee giveaway, make sure that you are sharing with your audience that it's, something like first come, first serve, or I'm giving away $100 worth of coffee, whatever it is, so that they know that they need to get on it because it could run out and then they don't get their free Starbucks. So you're just gonna send it to yourself. And we don't need a message or anything. So we're gonna go check out and send the gift. Next, you're going to come into your email where you had the card delivered, and it's going to look like this. And you're just gonna scroll down. You're going to hit redeem your e-gift, and then you're gonna scroll down a little bit more. You're looking for this barcode because what you're going to want to do is screen grab this so that then you can insert it into the email that you're going to send. And let me actually show you that. This is my little tool that I use. I'm gonna come back over, here it is. Come back over here. And all you want to grab is the barcode because that's all you're going to be inserting into your email. I would clean this up a little bit so it doesn't have the cursor in it, but this barcode is all that you want to insert into your email. You can fancy it up in Canva if you want to put a border around it to make it stand out more. But this is what you're going to use to direct your clients. Let them know all they have to do is save your email and head to Starbucks and show the barcode, and they'll be able to get their free coffee. So there you have it. That's how you love on your clients with free Starbucks coffee. I use Flowdesk to send out all of my emails to clients, but you really could do this with Gmail, Outlook, anything else. You certainly do not have to subscribe to Flowdesk. If you are looking for an email service to use, I highly recommend them. I've got a discount code for you all in the description. Feel free to grab that. And if you have any questions about giving your clients free Starbucks via email or Flowdesk, drop them in the comments below or reach out to me. The best way to get in touch with me is to DM me on Instagram. Until I see you on the next one, thanks for watching.